Screw out the cap nut and M6 nut with a 10 mm socket. Remove the flat pad and spring pad to rotate the fixed card horizontally by 180 degrees. Then tighten the fixed card with the flat pad, spring pad and M6 nut. And finally screw in the cap nut. Screw out the 8 screws on both sides of the solar panel frame using 5 mm hexagonal socket. Place the battery box on the solar panel frame. The end with PG connector toward the light emitting surface direction and align the screw holes, then secure the battery box with the previous 8 screws. Use a 10 mm socket to loosen and adjust the 6 screws on the battery box. Place the fitter on the battery box, screw through the fitter holes, put the flat pad, spring pad on its center screw aligned with the arrow mark on the battery box, and finally tighten the double nut. First loosen the left and right screws to adjust the angle of the luminous surface to the position you think of, then retighten the left and right screws. Finally, connect the battery box female connector to the LED module, male connector, and tighten to ensure waterproof. Once tightened, the system will be activated and in normal operation.